Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you or your child don't really feel ready to commit to an actual fur baby, well, maybe this Loona pet bot is the way to go for you. This is the most interactive robot toy that I have ever encountered. As I was learning about Loona was also learning about me. She learned to recognize my face, and she can even respond to my specific voice, and I could even customize her personality a little bit so that it jives more well with my own. It is super cute how when she recognizes my face, she can actually follow me wherever I go. I had a cat in my home while I was playing with Loona, and I have to say that this cat was super entertained by Loona. So if you're looking for something to occupy your actual pets, this may be just the thing. There are so many different engaging features to Loona. One that I really enjoyed was all of the different word commands that I could give her and seeing how she responds to them. There's even a couple games that she can play, and the one that I found was really fun was the bullfighting game. She has really adorable facial expressions, and even though I know that this is a robot, she's really entertaining to watch, and something about her is really endearing. I feel like I have so much left to learn about Loona, but I'm really excited to see how much she continues to learn about her environment and about me too. But that's just my point of view.